Everyone, welcome back to me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create realistic Polaroid photos with your favorite celebrities using AI. So as you know, the AI hack trend is now viral, sweeping social media. On TikTok, on Instagram, you'll see this image, this Polaroid photos with their favorite celebrities. And if you want to create your own photo hugging your favorite celebrity, athlete, or K-pop idol, this is how you can easily do it. So I'm using Gemini for this. What you need to do is just open Gemini on your phone or on browser like this and use the Nano Banana model. Write this prompt. Take a photo with a Polaroid camera and it should look like an ordinary photograph and have a slight blur and consistent light source. And don't change the face. This is very important so that the face still look so you. And change the background behind those two people with white curtains. So if you want to use the hugging pose, don't forget to use this keyword with that boy hugging me, both looking at front. Now click on the plus button, upload files, and add your photos and your favorite celebrity. Like this, for example. Sorry, let's choose another one. Okay, after that, you can just click on submit and just wait until Gemini give you the image. So once you got the image right here, just download it and you can upload it to your social media to join the trend. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.